Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we are unboxing an amazing desktop mic. This is the Yeti GX microphone with Bluesound certified technology. A top address, super cardioid mic with LIGHTSYNC RGB and tons of other great features. So let's get into it. The first thing we're greeted with is this quick start guide printed on the lid. We can follow these steps after we've unpacked the box. On the right is our mic, and on the left is this card with a free trial of Streamlabs Ultra, which we'll set aside, and some documentation, which we'll also set aside. Next up is the USB-C cable to connect this mic to our computer. And this little silver piece here is a mic stand adapter to mount the Yeti GX on a standard US mic stand, or our compass boom arm. Specifically, it's a 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch adapter. This smaller part goes into the bottom of the mic. Let's go ahead and pop this mic out of the box. We'll first lift this tray up and out, and now we can lift the mic out and remove this paper cover. This mic is lightweight, and the sturdy handle here is what we'll mount to the removable desktop stand. Let's have a quick look under this foam cover. What we see here is the dynamic capsule technology designed to capture a supercardioid sound pattern from the top of the mic. A supercardioid pattern picks up audio more tightly than a cardioid pattern. It focuses more on picking up your voice while rejecting sounds from the sides and the rear. We're going to slip the foam cover back on. It's best to keep it on to protect the mic capsule and to minimize plosives on your voice recordings, which are those pops and rumbles from air hitting the mic. Let's finish assembling the mic itself. In the box, wedge your fingers into the slots next to the desktop stand, then lift it out and remove the protective coverings. You'll notice the stand has a nice weight to it. Let's place the desktop mount on the desk and align the mic's handle to the screw. We'll slowly spin it clockwise to catch the threads, and once caught, completely tighten the mic to the base. Now that we have a better view of the mic, we can talk about some of its features. The handle on the side has a knob which we can loosen up to swivel the mic. As we mentioned before, you'll want to adjust the top of the mic to be aimed at your voice. And underneath the mic is the USB-C port. We're going to grab a USB-C cable and plug it into the computer now. The Yeti GX lights will turn on, indicating that the power is on. The mic is a plug-and-play device that automatically is detected by the computer, so it immediately picks up audio on the computer. On the side is a multifunction scroll wheel that controls the gain, which will light up in reaction to your voice. Beneath the scroll wheel is an easy access mute button that cuts the audio signal, and you'll notice that it turns red when it's muted. Lastly, if you're wondering what the mic sounds like, you've actually been listening to it this whole time. To fully access lighting and Blue Voice features, be sure to download Logitech G Hub and check out our introduction to G Hub video. And if you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to check out our support site. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time.